Today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the important tag from messages in Microsoft Teams, regardless of if you've already sent the message or you haven't sent it at all. I'll be showing you both ways, but obviously first you're going to need to find your way over to the Microsoft Teams website, which is this right here. Go ahead and click that, which will lead you to this page over here. Then simply just click sign in, which will lead you to the sign in page. Make sure to put in your Microsoft email and then put in your password and hit next. This will then lead you onto this page right over here. So if it doesn't already lead you to chat, the way you get to that is hitting this up here. But if your chat is within a community, go ahead and click this over here. So let's go ahead and maximize this. And here is where the important stuff is at. So this important tag simply just puts a little bit of urgency onto your message. And usually by default, it should be off, but let's say it's for some reason on. There's two ways of doing this. The easiest method that I personally use is you hold Control, you hold Shift, and then press I, all at the same time. This will then easily let you remove or enable the important tab. Now, if you've already sent the message and you want to fix it, it's super simple. Before, it used to be these three dots, but it's no longer like that. What you do is hit the edit button. An alternative to this is you just right click the message and then hit edit. Here, it'll then pop up and allow you to edit the message that you sent and also allow you to then toggle the important tag by doing Control, Shift, and I once again. So as you can see, I went ahead and removed the important tag, and the important tag is no longer there. If this tutorial was useful, consider subscribing and liking. Hope this was helpful.